Here we have our vegetarian student cookbook, Vegetarian NOSH for students. Let's have a quick look through. So we're going to start off with our mug page, which is our way of measuring things. So there's no need for any weighing scales in this book, just a mug. This is a list of everything that you need to take with you to be able to cook every recipe in this book. Some tips on food shopping and a weekly planner, an introduction to nutrition and things to look out for if you want to avoid eating meat. A great reference page is the "How long can I keep it for it kills me" page, which is always one to make sure you know your way around. We've got general cooking times for vegetables, both roasted and boiled, and then we've got the perfect rice page, which gets you perfect rice every time. Then we give you some variations on jacket potatoes and sandwiches so that you don't eat the same things again and again. We've got stuff on toast, and then our egg page, which is basically how to boil, fry, scramble, poach an egg. And if you're new to cooking, that is exactly the kind of thing that you need to know. We've got some classic sauce recipes, a couple of smoothie ideas, and then various salad dressings, which will save you spending money on all the pre-made bottled stuff. Straight into our fast food section, which includes some salads, some really simple pasta dishes, and then straight after that into our broke but hungry. So we've got, when you're running out of money maybe at the end of the semester, some soups and things like that won't break the bank. Then our one pot section if you really don't like washing up. Then maybe if you're feeling a little bit homesick and you want a bit of a taste of home, we've got some possibly familiar recipes there. Straight into something for the weekend, which tend to be slightly longer, maybe leave them in the oven, but they are definitely always worth the time you put in. Our friends around section is great for if you've got maybe quite a few people coming around, or maybe a few more people turn up than you think and you need to scale some recipes up. Then if you really need some comfort foods, we've got some winter warming stews and pies and soups. Lovely. Date night section if you fancy cooking something a little bit more special to impress that certain somebody. Cakes, cookies, some muffin ideas, a nutty honey cake, some pastry swirly things. Actually those chocolate truffles are great as well. And then straight into desserts, we've got apple crumbles, Eton mess, pancakes and a trifle. And then that's us at the end. Hope you enjoy.